Welcome to our video on how to use microgreens in your cooking. In this video, we will share some simple recipes and tips for incorporating these flavorful and nutrient-packed greens into your meals. Microgreens are young plants that are harvested just a few weeks after planting. They are smaller than baby greens, yet they pack a punch in terms of nutrition and flavor. So let's get started. Before we start cooking with microgreens, let's talk about how to buy and store them. When buying microgreens, look for bright green leaves and avoid any that look wilted or yellow. Microgreens should be stored in a sealed container in the refrigerator and used within a few days of purchase. Now let's start with a simple microgreen salad recipe. In a large bowl, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, honey, and a pinch of salt. Add a handful of microgreens and toss to coat. Top with sliced strawberries, crumbled goat cheese, and chopped pecans. This salad is light, refreshing, and perfect for spring and summer. If you're looking for a new and exciting way to use microgreens in your cooking, try this microgreen pesto pasta recipe. In a food processor, pulse together garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and a handful of microgreens until finely chopped. With the motor running, slowly pour in olive oil until the mixture forms a smooth paste. Toss with cooked pasta and serve immediately. This dish is quick, easy, and full of flavor. That's it for our video on how to use microgreens in your cooking. We hope we've inspired you to try these flavorful and nutritious greens in your meals. Whether you're making a simple salad or an elaborate pasta dish, microgreens are sure to add a burst of freshness and flavor. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!